Okay, this is a home at 1436 Garden Arbor Lane in Orlando, Florida. This is right next to Lake Nona. We're really very close. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's listed at $384,900. It's been on the market for about 51 days. It is 1,800 square feet, so it's a little smaller than the smallest ones we saw last week that you didn't really like too much. But here's what the neighborhood looks like. The houses are kind of close together. I'll go slow for you. And then right across the street, you have townhouses. So this is what you look at through the front door. And there's the home. You can see this house has, a setback, 2 stories, and it has a gate. So I'm going to go ahead and go in. Okay, as you walk in, you have living room, dining room combo, and it's open concept to the kitchen. And it looks like that's where the garage entrance is, and then all the bedrooms are probably upstairs. Okay, so it looks like you have 42-inch espresso cabinets with a nice backsplash. Looks like quartz countertops, which are very popular. Stainless appliances, 42-inch cabinets. Nice tile flooring. And here's your... It's a decent sized pantry. You have a lot of kitchen cabinet space. And this has got to be a bathroom downstairs. Half bath. And the garage is huge. There's a lot of space on either side for storage. Looks like you have some additional tiles out here. And then here's your driveway and through the back. And a little sitting room upstairs. Looks like here's your master. Tray ceilings, very big room. Plenty of room for a king-size bed. Again, we have quartz. Look, your closets in through the bathroom. And here's your shower. You have a linen closet here and a water closet there. And then a garden tub. Back out into the master. Here's your laundry. And that's a locked door. It's probably a closet. This will be bedroom number 2. Again, your bathroom with the quartz, nice flooring. Of course, everything in here is brand new. The house is only built in 2018. And bedroom number 3. It's about the same size as the other bedroom. So that's it. 1436 Garden Arbor Lane, Orlando, Florida. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, built in 2018. It's 1,800 square feet. And let me know what you guys want to do. Talk to you soon. And if I don't talk to you, happy Mother's Day. Bye-bye.